Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to do glitch in Block Blast. First, open the App Store and search for Block Blast. Now open the game and play a few rounds to make sure it is loading properly and connected to your account if applicable. Next, tap the settings icon from the top right corner and review options such as sound, notifications, account settings, and game version. This can help you confirm that the game is updated. Now go back and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and select Block Blast from the list of installed apps. Next, tap Offload app. Then tap Offload app again to confirm. This removes the app while keeping its documents and saved data on your device. Once the process is complete, tap Reinstall app to download it again. After the app is reinstalled, go back to your home screen and open Block Blast. Before launching the game, make sure your internet connection is stable, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, so the game can sync properly. Now check whether the issue you are experiencing has been resolved and see if the game loads correctly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.